Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your user ID on Discord. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and you need to log in into your Discord. So I'm going to open Discord and I already log in. So click on login and it will be redirect to my main account. So you need to wait for a few seconds. So once it is open, you simply need to click on user settings and here you need to click on appearance. And here you can see that this is the tab. If you find a developer option here, you need to turn on the developer option, but here you can see that there is no, so we need to go back and we need to open any random server, and here we need to send a message, for example, and here we need to click our name, and here you can see option of copy user ID. Click here and paste it. So this is our user ID that we copy and paste like this. So this is the process how you can find your user ID on Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.